Welcome back, folks. Apparently, the last video I made on the Hamilton Beach electric egg cooker was so popular, people have said to me, Dave, you must be a wizard in the kitchen. I've been told I'm a wizard at other places, but I decided to keep it to a video about making eggs, plain egg omelet. It is just a coincidence that this video is approximately 3 minutes long. I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you. All right, let's get into it. We're going to make an omelet, plain omelet. I'm going to use 2 eggs, good enough for me. I'm going to beat these eggs real good. I like to add pepper, my personal choice. You could add whatever you want, obviously. Cheese, ham, bacon bits. Use your imagination. Gonna do a little flame on here, get that pan nice and hot. Get some butter in the pan. Get a nice sizzle going. Flame control is the key to cooking anything. If you have an electric stove, I don't know what to tell you. Gas stove is the way to go. I like to see the flame. I like to see what's going on. Once that gets nice and hot and a little bit bubbly, we're gonna dump it in there. And it's gonna start cooking right away. Get my spatula out here. Nice flame to be adjusted as necessary. Once the edges get a little bit hard like that, then I know the bottom's hard, it's ready to flip it. Get that side cooked. At this point, you can even shut the flame off, because the pan's hot enough to finish the job. Give one more flip, just to get those edges cooked. That's about it. Fold it in half. Enjoy. It's going to be delicious. Thank you.